రండి సార్. 4 మెంబర్స్ వచ్చారు. మరి స్టార్ట్ 3 మెంబర్స్ వచ్చారు. దగ్గర తక్కువ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు.
So good morning, my dear children. So welcome to my class. So I hope that you are all very
Good morning, sir.
good morning, very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, very good morning. So welcome to my class. I hope that you are very well. So yesterday we have discussed about the interpreting balancing chemical equation. Yes or no? So yesterday we have discussed about the interpreting balancing so interpreting means nothing but information. So balance equation, which type of information giving? Suppose iron means it is a solid state. So iron reacts with oxygen gaseous, then to form a moisture. Already this equation you know, to form a Fe2O3. So this is a rusting of iron. So means so this also solid state, this also solid state. So in the solid state means so it is measuring the mass. So reactant side how much mass are participated, and the product side how much the mass are it formed. So balance equation means the iron two atoms. Now this is only one iron. So now two iron atom, two iron it will be balanced. But now oxygen atom two there, this side only two there. So it's not a balance. Suppose this place we keep. So 3 2 is 6. Now this place 3 keep. So now 3 2 is 6. But 2 2 is 4. So this is the only 2 there. So then remind another number we keep 4. So this is a trial and error method. Already you know. Not that now I am discussed about. So iron mass, how much participated? So the equal number of the atoms and the solid state mass will be forming. So this is the information and giving the balancing chemical equation. This is known as a mass relationship. This one is the mass relationship. Second one, so carbon. So carbon means already you know. So that is a solid state. So react with the oxygen. So to form a carbon dioxide. So that is a gas. So heat also releasing. So this is a gas and this also. So gas it can measure in the value. So that's why. So next one is the mass and volume relationship. So this is example for the mass and volume relationship. Means how much mass are participated, how much that volume the products are forming, it will be comparing in the products. So that to do the balance equation. So this is called a mass and volume relationship. Next another one also this example you take. Suppose this is a gas. So oxygen gas, how much volume participated, how much that side of gas will be forming. Means this is a volume relationship. Next third one is the so this oxygen and carbon. So how many atoms are participated? How many atoms are participated? So that's also. So this is the mass. Next this is the volume. And another how many particles are forming? So that is the number of particle relationship. So interpreting of the balanced equation. So how much mass are participated in the reactant side, how much mass are forming in the product side. So in before previous class, just chemical equation more informative. Chemical equation more informative means without balance equation. Means what is the physical state of any heat releasing or not releasing and any gas releasing. So that means only physical state only it will be giving the without balancing equation and no, that is a chemical equation more informative. No, already have read. But interpreting a balancing chemical equation means so the product and reactant side. In the reactant side, how much mass participated, and product side also any mass forming means that is a mass relationship. Same the reactant side, suppose how much mass participated, product side also any gas forming means any liquid forming means so that measuring the volume only. So that's why the mass volume relationship. Suppose reactant side also, suppose gas participated means that measuring the volume. Same another product side also gas forming means so that measuring the volume relationship. Next another one no. So product side the mass. Next reactant side also volume participated and particles means so mass volume. So number of particles relationship. This one right now. So this is the example for the so interpreting the balancing chemical equation for mass relationship, mass volume relationship, volume relationship, mass volume number of particles relationship. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Right, very good. Next one question. Calculate the mass calculate next volume and number of particles. Number of particles of carbon dioxide. When limestone, when 50 gram of limestone decomposition, when 50 gram of limestone decomposition. So 50 gram of limestone means decomposition means it can divide it. So this like questions giving means first of all, so what type of question asking? Calculate the mass, value and number of particles of CO2. CO2 mass and value and number of particles. What is the int given? So means 50 gram. So 50 gram of limestone decomposition. So limestone means what is the chemical formula? So limestone means that is a chalk powder and marble. So that is a CaCO3. CaCO3. Now CaCO3 by the heat, the chemical reaction before on heat. So CaCO3 by the decomposition it form a calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So calcium carbonate to solid state to calcium oxide liquid state to carbon dioxide to gaseous state. Right. So this slide first you prepare for the equation. By decomposition means calcium carbonate. Decomposition it can divide it. So to form a calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So then after, so you equation preparing, you calculate the molecular mass. Now calcium carbonate molecular mass what? So calcium carbonate molecular mass, so 40.
100 grams.
Yes, 12 plus 16. Excellent answer. 100 grams. So this is 100 grams. Right. Next another one calcium oxide. So this is the 54 grams and this is the 44. So according to the law of conservation, how much the mass will be participated, equal number of the mass will be forming. So that is the law of conservation of mass. So 100 grams means 56 and 44 total the product mass also 100 grams. So this is the mass relationship. Right. So 100 gram means how many moles? So this also nothing but a 1 mole. So 100 gram how many mole contain? Mole means you take the coefficient in number. So 56 gram means this also
1 mole.
this also 1 mole. So the mole does not depending upon the mass and weight. So mole means it is nothing but a one fixed and constant number. So 1 mole. So 100 grams, how many particles are there? Mean 6.0. So 2 into
10 to the power of 20.
10 to the power of 23. Now this also same as well as so 56 gram. But 1 mole means how many particles are there?
6.0.
Now same this is like this like you write down. Now these particles means it is nothing but a solid. Suppose these particles you convert to any liquid and gases means what is the standard value?
22.4
Liter.
Very good liters. This is the now this also 22.2. Four liters. Right. So this slide you prepare, very, very important. So now, first you calculated the mass relationship. So calculate the mass. So 100 gram. First we write down this one total. Completed. Right. So calculate the mass, value, and number of particles of CO2. So what is the relation between calcium carbonate to CO2? Calcium carbonate to relation between the calcium carbonate to CO2. So 100 gram calcium carbonate by the decomposition, how much the carbon dioxide release means 44 grams. 100 gram calcium carbonate taken by the decomposition, so 44 grams of carbon dioxide means value 44 grams of carbon dioxide. But when 50 gram of limestone you take, how much the carbon dioxide releasing? That is the question. So 100 gram means, so 100 gram means, so 44. Now the 50 gram means, this is X. 100 gram తీసుకున్నప్పుడు, so it releasing the 44 grams of carbon dioxide. Now when 50 gram of limestone decomposition, how much is that carbon dioxide releasing? Say anyone?
22, sir.
Excellent. Yes. Very simple. So 100 gram 44 అయినప్పుడు 50 gram తీసుకున్నప్పుడు, so it is excellent answer. So that boy said, so 22 grams is. So this is the mass order. This is the mass completed. Next, coming to the value. So 100 gram 44 grams are releasing. So 50 gram means 22 grams. So 44 grams means what is the value? So 44 grams means
20.
Volume. So
22.4.
22.4. Right.
4.
ఎందుకంటే y means so 1 mole only. One mole, so 22.4 liters. Right. This is the 1 mole. 1 mole and 44. 44 grams ku, so how much occupying? 22.4 liter. So 44 to 22.4 liter means, so 22 point how much occupying?
11.2 liters.
11.2 liters.
Correct answer. 11.2 liters. So 100 grams calcium carbonate to decomposition means 44 grams mass forming. 44 grams mass forming means so 22.4 liter occupying. 22.4 liter already wrote. So 22.4 liter means how many particles? 6.023 to 10 to the power of 23. But 50 gram you take means how much that mass coming? 22 grams. So 22 grams means what is occupying the value is the 11.2. So in the 11.2 how many particles are there? So 1 mole. This is the value. Next to find out the number of particles. So number of particles 1 mole means 44. 44 means 1 mole. So 6.02322 into 10 to the power of.
10 to the power of 23.
Now 22 grams how many particles are there?
3.011 in
Excellent answer. So 3.0 half, very simple. So 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 particles this one. So means 50 gram of calcium carbonate you take means 50 gram calcium carbonate take means so how much the carbon dioxide mass forming? So 22 grams. So
22 grams.
mass it will be forming. So this mass how much occupying means that is 11.2.
11.2.
Particles are contained. So 3.01 and 10 to the power of 23 particles. Write down. So now that calculate the mass, value, and number of particles. So this like calculation. So this is the mass relationship, mass volume relationship, mass value and number of particle relationship. So this is the interpreting of the balancing chemical equation. Write down. 2 minutes. Completed.
Completed, sir.
Okay, very good. Once again, I explain the textbook question. Textbook question very easy. The textbook question what asking? So calculate the amount of aluminum required to get to 1120 kilogram of iron by the above equation or down equation. So calculate the amount of aluminum. Calculate the amount of aluminum. Aluminum calculate here. So required to get to so 1120 kilogram of iron by the equation. 1120 kilogram of iron by the equation is the. So what is the equation? Aluminum react with the iron. Aluminum react with the iron. So to form a aluminum oxide and iron. So it is a balanced or unbalanced equation. Already know this is unbalanced equation.
Skeleton equation.
Skeleton equation, excellent. So now the iron is 2 there in the reactant side. Iron 2 atoms are, but in the product side only 1 iron there. So it gets 1. 1 there means it is not there. So suppose this is a trial and error another go means so 2 cube means okay. Now the iron it will balance. Now aluminum the product side 2 there, but in the reactant side only 1 there. Suppose 2 kb means now iron also balanced and aluminum also. Now again you check the oxygen. Oxygen 3 there and reactant side product side also 3 there. Okay, iron, aluminum and oxygen. So 3 atoms so it can balance. Now find out the molecular mass. So aluminum atomic mass what? So 27. So 2 there. So 2 27 job. So 227, how much is that one? 54. So this is the
54.
grams are unit. Now iron. So one iron atomic mass, so it is a 56. So
56.
56 is the calculation here. And 316 jumps. So 160 kg. Next is the
160.
and the process never in the above process, how do I calculate? That is a very important. Now aluminum means so 27 puja
27.
plus 3 16, 16 3. This line 1 and 2. So
1 or 2.
now iron 2 iron means so 2
56 into
yeah.
112.
1
112.
12.
1 right. Now 54 plus 160 how much coming? Same equal the mass it will be coming to the 1 or 2, 2 and 1 1 2. Right, this is the mass. Right now aluminum how many moles are there? 2 moles.
2 moles.
Now iron oxide percent number is nothing but a mole.
1.
1
1
mole.
mole. 1 mole.
Now this aluminum percent number is
1 mole. 1 mole.
1 more.
correct. Now this one
2 moles. 2 moles.
right, excellent. So this is mole. Now number of particles. Number of particles means so 1 mole is equal to already you know. So 1 mole is equal
2
to
in
2 into 6.0
6.022 plus 10 to the power of 23.
now 1 mole is equal to 6.22 into
0.02 into 10 to the power of 23.
now this one same
6.02.
and 2 into 23. Now this one but this one 2 moles so now 2
2
into
into
2 into 10 to the power of 23. So don't confusion. So percent number only you take the mole. Suppose 160 gram. 160 gram lo 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles are there. So this is 160 that weight is the high. But now coming to the 54. But these 54 grams lo the aluminum 2 moles are contained means the particles is more. So main the mole does not depending upon the weight. Mole it is a constant number. Suppose 2 dozen x means 24x coming. The 24x the weight is the very less compared to the 1 dozen of the mango. Same as well as. So x weight mana తీసుకుంటే ఎంత ఉంటదమ్మా 24x అంటే 2 dozen అంటే lesser weight compared to the another 1 dozen of the mango. So 1 dozen mango means 12 number only coming but weight will be have more. Same this slide. So 160 gram means so 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles are contained. So 160 gram but 54 gram means double particles are contained. So the number it will be utilized for the only calculation part only. So immediate Avogadro introduced by this number. Right. Now another one is the liquid you take means so these particles how many fragment? So 2 into 22.4 liter. Now this one so 22.4 liter. Now this one so 22.4 liter. Now this one 2 into suppose these particles if you take the value means so what is the standard value? So 22.4. 22.4. Suppose same one mole particle into 22. So 2.6 into 2 into 22.4 is called. Same this slide. Particles. So that particles occupied the volume. Volume what is the standard number? So that is a 22.4 liter. Right. Write down this one. So next question what asking? Calculate the amount of aluminum and required to get the 1120 kilogram of iron. So aluminum and iron only asking. So aluminum means it is a solid state, and iron means also solid state. So both are solid state means what is the relationship? Mass relationship. So no need take the number of particles and value. Just you calculate the mass. So shall I rub this one? This 3 mole and a number of particles and liquid. So this is the above equation is the just mass relationship. So mass relationship means aluminum. So aluminum is related to the iron. So question mark asking, calculate the amount of aluminum required to get 1120 kilogram of iron. So first 54 gram. So in the original 54 gram iron react with the 160 gram. Then how much the iron forming into 100?
112 grams.
So the scientists are forget 54 grams you take means 1000. See, 54 grams you take means 112 grams. But sometimes scientists how much the aluminum take forgot. But the yield how much forming means so 120 kilogram form. Now you calculate the how much the aluminum will be required. This is the question. So 1120 kilogram you convert to the grams. Grams how to convert it? So 1
into 1000.
into
Thousand.
into 1000, right? Into 1000 means so 120 into 10 to the power of 4 grams. So this is the converting. Right. So 54 to 112. So 120 into 10 to the power 4 grams are forming. Grams and gram. So now how much that grams are taking? This is the crisscross method. Now this is so 54 gram 112. So now 120 into 10 to the power of 4 grams. How much that one? So crisscross. Now this is the x. So x into 112. So 54 to 120 into 10 to the power of 4. Now x is equal to what? So 54 120 into 10 to the power of 4
by 50.
Now this is a 1111, not 1111. So now 1111 cancel. Now coming to the 54 into 10 to the power of 4 grams. Suppose that is you convert to the kilogram. Kilograms means what happened? So you take the 10 to the power of 3. 3 means so 540 kg. So this one. For understanding, very simple. So you that kilogram you grams you convert to the kilogram means so 10 to the power of 10 you take. So now the kilogram means 540 kilogram. Suppose gram lo you means so 54 into 10 to the power of 4 grams. So this is the in our textbook question. Next, another one textbook question. Completed? Hello?
Completed, sir.
Right, very good.
Completed, sir.
Okay, okay.
Completed, sir.
All right. Good. Solid. So tomorrow I will be. So this line do the another two question also. That is the sodium oxide. One question I write down one question. Calculate the mass and mass comma mass comma volume comma number of particles of carbon dioxide. Number of particles of carbon dioxide. Again, calculate the mass, comma, volume, and number of particles of carbon dioxide. When 22 grams of graphite, react with the when 22 grams of graphite react with the oxygen. When 22 grams of graphite react with the oxygen. Depend mass and the when. Calculate the question system of mass, volume, and the number of particles of calculate the mass, volume, number of particles of carbon dioxide. When 22 grams of graphite, when 22 grams of graphite